my passion for food only grew with age. Climbers come from all over the world to climb here. And you know, you look at it and you're like, holy cow, that's like epic. My name is Matt Segal. I'm a professional rock climber. Super nice to like come camp, cook with friends. I wanted to eat better when I was camping. So my camping meals used to be fancier than my meals at home. Because when I was camping was when I was performing, that's when I was like out climbing, doing my thing. So climbing and cooking on a Traeger have like a shocking amount of things in common. First of all, it's all about community. Your climbing partner, people that you're cooking for. Second of all, they both can feel a little daunting.
This is a very sexy part of climbing, is getting that harness on.
Getting started climbing can be scary because you're not used to getting off the ground. Getting started cooking on a Traeger can be scary because it's just something new. You've never done it before. But in the end, they both are so much more fulfilling than anything else that I've ever participated in. Food is a wonderful thing, and I kind of look at it in multiple layers of like, there's this sense of community, there's this sense of artistry with like creating like a super like nice meal, and then there is like this sustainability of eating for performance and training. And at the end of the day, I would say that both climbing and cooking just lead me to have a more flavorful life.